Mr. Mkwaza, we're going to shoot 2 targets. We can put 10 shots per target. We can use 2 different firearms. We can stand the distance for 20 meters. We can count the distance now. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's our distance. And then now we can start to shoot. Okay, I'll count it for you. Just hold on. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you. Can use the next firearm. Good. Let's see how it goes.
Yo.
It seems like it's yeah. All right. All right. That's good. There's number 1. Just count it for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of them are inside.
It's 10.
Yeah.
Okay, just count it for me there also.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.